I want to go over what I am currently seeing in the market. So initially, I was seeing a bit of a bearish move happening. The reasoning being here, I'll break it down for you. Then this move actually did end up happening. It just did not go all the way to where I thought it was going to go. I saw these bottoms. We broke through them. I thought we were going to go closer to not this level, but believe it was this level, this top. As you guys can see, we got close to this level. We did not hit this level. But what am I seeing that keeps on repeating itself in the market currently? Let me break that down on a daily chart for you. So what do I keep on seeing that keeps repeating itself, and why am I bullish at least until these highs are broken? What happened? Fibonacci, as you guys can see right here, where do we hit off of? Right directly at the 50 level. When this happens, normally it just lines up too perfectly. Normally we're gonna get that bounce, new trend highs. At least that is what I'm expecting. But if you do break it down on each current level, what did we do? Obviously we had these big moves. We went into this level right here. What happened? We got short right into this level, and then we got into this level right here, and that's where we got long. And once we got long, and then we broke these highs, so kind of we're bullish. But if you guys can really see what kept on happening, we kept on breaking highs and dipping into it. As you guys can see, dips right into the level. We break trend highs, then we dip right into the level. We went a little underneath, but as you guys can see, if your stop's underneath this level, you're still fine. We go higher. What happens? We break these trend highs. We dip back into the level, at least very close, kind of like how we did right here. Not all the way, but we're kind of halfway there. We dip, we rip higher, we break these trend highs. What happens again? We dip right into the level, and then we go higher. And then this is currently, we're trying to dip into the level, and now it looks like we're about to go higher. Obviously, if we do have an update tomorrow, to me that kind of confirms that we are going to be bullish, and that's kind of my outlook on the market right now. Obviously I like looking on bigger time frames, so I feel like we are most likely headed. What spot am I looking for? I am looking for us to head right back into this area, this zone. I think that's going to be a good spot to take everything off. Obviously that is exactly breaking these highs. That is the exact level. So that's kind of where I'm looking to get long to that area. Once we get into that area, I might be expecting a rejection. Guys, this is obviously, I wish someone taught me this stuff when I was younger, when I was first learning trader. I'm not a financial advisor. Obviously, trade at your own risk. You'd still lose. But it's better than trading penny stocks, trust me. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I think we do have a big possibility. And let me just break down also what I saw today in the markets. I wanted things to go lower, just like how I was telling you guys. And this is kind of how I see the markets. If I'm seeing big trends form, I'm always basing everything off the bigger level. So what did I want this morning? Obviously, just like how I told you guys, let me clear everything off the charts so that you guys can understand what I was looking for. I wanted these lows to be broken. These lows over here. So these lows, I wanted them to be broken. Pretty much the lows of this day. I want it to be broken. And so what happened? This is the open. This is on ES. 930 is obviously the open. So 930, I'll just mark it out so you guys can see. My bad, right here. As you guys can see, here's the open. Boom, right into the level. You can get short right there. What happens? We go back into the level again. You can get short right there. What happens? We go back back into the level again. You go short right there, guys. And then we finally, right now, obviously. But what is showing me that we're not completely tanking is that's kind of showing me that we probably are going to go higher. Obviously, what did I want? I wanted us to go into this level. If we went into this level, that's when I was going to look to go long. But as you guys can see, we did not go into that level. We got close, or not very close, but as you guys can see, we didn't. Here's the level. We went into it, we tried, we didn't work. We went into it, we tried, we didn't work. Honestly, we went into it, and what happens? We went right back into this consolidation zone, and that's where we kept bouncing. So that's kind of showing me strength. Also, obviously, if you pair up with the Fibonacci's, that is the ultimate. Yeah, we probably are going to be going higher in my eyes. And I could be wrong, obviously. I do not have to be right. But if you pair this up, look, we're bouncing right off of it. It just looks like we're about to be going higher. Everything in the market seems very bullish. Every stock is just moving up after even some not so great earnings on some stocks, Apple missing earnings or whatever it was, and last time they did that was 2016. But if you guys like that, that's besides the point. If you guys like this content, please follow me for more. Share this, guys. Hope you have a great day and trade. And always manage risk when you are trading.